Personal career management, which is exactly that, about taking a strategic approach to career management and mapping your own deceptively simple sounding plan on a page, which really gets you to step out and take a lot more time to look at where you are at and where you want to go and be. It is for all ages and stages. It starts on the 26th of April. It's hybrid, which means it is both virtual and face-to-face. And the two key face-to-face days are the 7th and 8th of May in Sydney. It's about getting you to be successful and purposeful. And so the program really gives you that chance to sit down with a group of others who are not all from your industry or sector. And that's important. And it's about clearly articulating what you would like to do with your career and life going forward, short, medium, and long term. It's designed for women at various stages of their career life. Do any of these people sound like you?
The greatest skill we need and need to keep practicing is the ability to very, very clearly articulate who we are, what we are looking to do next, and the value we can bring to the table in that regard. And we need to make sure we're not relying on pure happenstance to navigate the careers. So whether you're looking to progress within your own organization, across your sector, do something different and you haven't quite figured out what that is, or if you're thinking this is the time I really need to think through if boards are for me and how do I step onto that ramp. So PCM, or personal career management, helps us by looking backwards, at sweeping backwards and thinking about all the things we've done so far in our careers and really drilling down at each point, which roles did I really enjoy, and then asking the why question.